So who is the other lucky person?
Alfred Fu is
Alfred. Okay.
yeah,
Where is your, here you have given your date?
Yes.
Yes,
Alfred?
I will replay. I will copy into the bottom of the chat so you can see it.
Yeah, here it is. 21st February 1980. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So you have written down. I'm now switching it to Alfred. So you have written down the 2 points.
Yeah.
Okay. So new chart.
發達咗意思，一拜就好勢了。
Alfred. Okay. Then your birth detail is 21.
Alfred 可以生 triplet 冇？
1980.
呀，follow Winston 咁樣。
試過3個搞掂，唔使等咁多。
AM and your place of birth is Ipoh, Malaysia. Okay.
又唔係我生隔離嘅一個。
四胞胎好啲啦，比 Winston 威少少。
孖女孖仔係
啊，孖女孖仔你一次過搞掂啊！
哦，
係你咩唔得？呢個就得啦。
And yours is Ipoh. Just a minute. I'm just
no
putting
problem. Take your time.
Yes. So let me see this. I have.
So what happens if I have a red cupboard?
Okay. Yeah, if you have to remove if it's red color. Yes. So your chart now.
I can't imagine
Yes,
someone having a
let us
red
see.
cupboard.
It's in my
Yeah.
room.
So now for use in a separate way we'll
Okay.
approach. What is the issue or concern that you are facing now, or you want me to analyze? Come on, tell me.
I want better business and better money.
Better business and better money. So describe me, what do you mean by better money? Are you not getting money? Recovery of money is an issue, or what it is like? Can you explain?
Money is not smooth, very
It is
up and
getting
down.
stuck, or the
Yeah.
flow is not proper.
Yeah.
Opportunity. Do you get proper opportunities?
A lot of opportunity.
Lot of opportunity are there, but money is not coming.
Yeah.
Okay. So then here it comes for you. Here it comes for you.
Okay.
Okay. So I will now give you the direction. You just see in that direction. Okay. So write down the direction where you have to search, green color items related to green color, somewhere southwest.
Okay.
Okay, southwest. If there you are having green color items, then if you remove that green color items, then you will find some things happening.
My
You need
sister.
to search. Yeah, tell me.
Southwest, right?
Southwest.
Oh.
That is southwest. It would be around, you can say, somewhere after 190 degrees. Around 200 degrees is the area of
green
southwest.
color is a very normal color. Like
How it can be normal color?
if you come to my house, my sister's room,
Okay.
everything is painted in green.
But which direction it is? If it is southwest or southwest, if that area is green color, then that is one of the biggest reason for your money flow.
Can he repaint her room to a pink color or something?
Even
Yeah, I
pink
mean,
color,
I think
even
it's
pink
easier.
color is not good for him in that direction.
Oh, what color is for him?
But how do you, like, just say if I'm standing in the middle of the house and I'm
Okay.
pointing, and if I'm pointing to the main entrance is northeast.
See, I'll take you to the floor plan which I have given as a case study. 1 minute.
Okay, so
Okay.
sorry.
Yeah, I'll just take you to the, here, see. Okay, so now say I'm standing here in the north, okay, in the center of the house, roughly in the center. and mine now either keep a compass or the, a mobile, which can give us a direction. If you see this building or this apartment, the north is tilted. You can see here 0 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay, so the north is tilted by few degrees, and this is how I have laid down my template. Okay, are you getting it? So when I'm talking for you, say south southwest, so it is somewhere here. You can see this south southwest. So you can see this degree. It is 191 degrees from where this south southwest starts.
Okay.
Okay, so now what you have to make is you get a the small circular plastics thing we have for children that they use in geometry.
Okay.
Yeah, you get that. You get the exact north degree of your apartment. Okay, through Google Earth you can do that. You put that on your floor plan, mark the north 0, take that round circular thing which has 0 to 360 mark, put that on your floor plan and see where it is showing 192 degrees. That is where your south southwest is in your entire house.
Okay.
And in that part you look for green color and red color.
Okay. That is my parents' house. My parents' room. Okay.
So just check it properly. Before taking action, put it on a floor plan properly, the directions. Okay, and then check it.
Okay, so I need to take off. I need to what? Remove the green stuffs.
Yeah, green and red stuff both. If you need to remove. Once you remove out of that zone itself, it can be still in that same room, because normally we have 2 to 3 zones in a particular room. If you see, okay, so by just bringing it out of that zone, that itself is enough.
If it's my room, do I need to remove all the green shirt and red shirt too?
If it is that south southwest, no, not from your room particularly, but from this direction, it is important for you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, and also if it is your room, say for somewhere, then it is good for you because that is the room for money. But if you have this color or item related to these 2 colors, then that is a problem for you for money. That is what I'm trying to tell.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now I'll just put for 2-3 pages about what we cover. If anyone wants to learn this subject of Astro Vastu, it is only 9 sessions of roughly 1.5 to 2 hours. It is not a very big subject where one can easily go through and learn if they want to. So I'll just put forth what is the course content just for your benefit. Okay, so here I move to the course content part where we cover, what I was talking about, the house, Rashi, planets, all its detail we cover, how they are arranged, how they move, how they move in the battlefield, all these planets and everything. Then, and in detail about everything, the aspects part, what we are now seeing, what I'm telling you now, this player particularly, if it is placed in this particular direction, it is giving you issues. That is what we study in these aspects. Okay, then we have this chart reading technique that we learn, the different 2 charts that I showed you, that we learn what it is for, and a movement of planet. Then this hit theory or the aspect theory which is important part in this Astro Vastu. Then we learn to link your floor plan with astrology, the astrology and Vastu part, the linkage we talk about. We understand these 2 planets because they are the shadow planets. They are the goons or the dawns. Okay. Then we do some activation. So one thing is, we remove some particular item from that zone so that negative aspect coming on you or some event of your life, first we remove. Then also there is a remedial part where you can add a particular item in that zone of the house to activate. It can be for health, it can be for money, it can be for marriage, for job, depending upon your question. You select that particular zone in your house by seeing your chart, install, add a particular item of the player, and that player will activate that area to achieve something. That is what we call as the activation of the sign or the house or the remedial part in Astro Vastu. We also understand how to operate the software, which at present is freely available in some coming time it may be charged. That is not what I sell, it is some third party application. Okay, so this is how the entire flow goes, comparing these two charts, understanding this chart in the form, finally understanding the astro vastu part for a person. You know, what are the directions that are good, again good for what. Okay, so every time the direction will change, it is not fixed, depending upon for what the direction will change. Okay, then what environment is useful for me, okay, understanding the aspects, the angular aspects in your chart, and then seeing there in your house or the apartment, what are the planets that are negative, positive, all that we learn. You know, again this also, you know, activation can be done on the body, like I gave example of for health issues. Generally we just take colors, you know, felt pens that we children have, you know, just hardly it may be for just few ringgits that is available, the entire 12 colors. You can have that, you know, the set of that 12 colors, and you can just do some color related to the study on the body, and you can get relief of some healing can happen. Just 2 minutes I will take before looking for the charts. Okay, for the charts. Then we superimpose on the zone, you know, the template part on the plan to understand. So after doing all that, we understand what I need to shift has the players, you know, that may be the root cause of the issues in life, or add, activate, okay, or add. So what we have already in English and our local language pre-recorded sessions, 9 sessions, you know, where around more than 100 templates are used to explain. You know, the time varies for each session is 1.5 to 2.5 hours. All these are power packed full of knowledge. You design your own remedy. There is no fixed remedy available. Okay, so every chart and every time, every different issue will speak for a different type of remedy, or something need to be shifted. And then we have additional live sessions. One, you have gone through these videos, maybe after a month, 2 months, which can be planned on the live Zoom, you know, the actual question answer session. Okay, so we have this all on our e-learning platform. Of course, e-certificate and everything follows, and this is there for lifetime. Okay, now I'll take the chat box. So 1 minute, let me go through the chat box. Okay, give me your floor plan. I map out the round degree map for you. Yeah, so someone is going to help you. Caroline can help you for that. Okay, one floor plan. I am only guessing. No, don't guess. Here we need exact. You know, you just instead of, if you guess and you remove some green color from a different direction, that may be helpful to you also. So no guesswork. You need to go through proper. If you don't know through compass, you know, you locate your place on internet through Google Earth, and then find out the exact degree, the exact, you know, the compass degrees. Then you know, lay down on your floor plan and do it. Don't do it on a guesswork. That will not help. Okay, do you recommend using pendulum to confirm if an item are required to be removed or no? Normally pendulum, or the instrument that I'm talking about, we use that to check if the energy of that you know, the item is good or bad. But yes, you can, but normally first it has to be confirmed through the chart and the chart that we study. Then you can maybe ask, you know, the pendulum part, but initially it is the chart of your own that you need to refer to first. Okay, just directly if you go in your you know, bedroom and ask pendulum which items I need to remove and all, that is mental dowsing. I don't know how much accurate that may be, you know, that depends. But here we do the technical stuff, so there is no guesswork. Okay. Okay, now there is, does doing prayers to a particular planet affecting our love? Yeah, these all things, of course, that can be, you know, chanting mantras, wearing some color stones, or, you know, adding colors, and all that are all things that can be added and then help to, you know, reduce the intensity or activate. That is all we can do. Yes, but for all that we need to first study and understand the, you know, our battlefield ground, the players. Once you know that, then the any remedy works, any simple remedy can work. Do you have a FB group? We have, I know, WhatsApp groups, FB group. Yes, I have have a web, FB group. I will say, share my FB group, where people can join for Astro Vastu. And on my mobile number, you can send, if you want to join us on our WhatsApp group, we will add you there. Okay. Yes. Any other question? Okay. So now I'll come live. So same way, of course, I have also, details about the astrology subject also. So here I, roughly I'll fast go through, I'll not read. So this is all what we cover in astrology. Again, the same few things repeat, but here it is the entire chart reading that we do, entire chart. So we understand the life events, whether something is promised in my life, when it is promised, how to see a chart holistically, what are the different events promised, how, when, all that. Okay, all that we can learn in detail. Also, if your birth chart is not accurate, we have some techniques which we follow systematically and bring that exact time, okay, of your day, of your time of birth. So all that is done. We understand each house. Like now I already told you, like first house is for self personal matters. We study that in detail. Okay, for money, family, all that we study in detail. Even the important events like education, marriage, all we study that in detail. Like how we do for Bazi. Same thing is done here, but here it is more about accuracy because of timing and everything. Okay. So here we can do all that, right up to reverse engineering methods, case studies, timing of event, very important part. Then horary astrology. Now if you ask question, the current chart we can open and answer your question. Then birth time rectification is done also. Okay. So all this, even the transit. So your natal birth chart and the current chart, all is considered depending upon your question. Okay. So here are the 4 subjects that we do. If you learn, that is what over 25 years I have collected and put here. There are of course many other subjects, but this 4, over a period of just 3 to 4 months, one can do this practice, and you are there as a professional consultant of Astro Vastu. You can do practice this. Okay. So here are my mobile number with the Indian number, pin code here, my website and my email. So we have this e-learning platform where everything is available. You are given the login IDs and all, and you can, this is my social media, World on Vastu. You can type on Facebook. Also I have a group related to Astro Vastu. Okay, my YouTube channel, you can subscribe. We put a lot of videos over there, so which you can get it. Okay. So yes, question and answer session. Here is my number and email. So thank you, Caroline, and thank you everyone for inviting me, listening to me so quietly, patiently to a subject totally new to you. So, I have put all my efforts to explain to you in the best manner. So did everyone get it? If yes, thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up if you have got it. For many, it may be totally new, the astrology part, the Indian, Vastu part, I can understand, but I have tried to put it, and similarly, it is explained in our courses also, if anyone is taking step-by-step process. The entire astrology, more than 500 templates I have made to explain it, in a systematic manner.